Today I'll teach you how you guys can delete your profile picture on Facebook. It's pretty simple. After you open Facebook, you want to click on the menu icon at the bottom right of your screen. Once you click on the menu icon, at the top it's going to show you your Facebook profile. So click on your Facebook profile's name. Once you click on your Facebook profile's name, your profile picture is going to be displayed. And right beside your profile picture, there's a little camera looking icon. You want to click on that camera looking icon. Once you click on it, it'll show you all these options. From over here, you want to click on the second one, which says see your profile picture. Once you click on it, it'll show you your Facebook's profile picture. Now, once you're in this part, at the top right corner, you can see the three dot. Click on the three dot. Once you click on it, the first option where it says delete photo, click on delete photo and click on delete to confirm it. Once you do that, it's going to load for some time and your Facebook profile will be deleted. So that is how you guys can delete your Facebook profile picture. And as you guys can see over here, right beside my create story, nothing is being shown. Now in my case, it is still being shown over here because it takes a bit of time for the change to actually appear. So wait for 1 or 2 minutes and your profile picture will disappear. So that's how you guys can delete your profile picture on Facebook. Hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.